how to uninstall apps on Android that won't install. So let's get started. First of all, open up settings in your mobile device. Now from your settings page, scroll down a bit and from there tap on security. Again scroll down a bit and then go to more security settings. Under this, tap on this option that says device admin apps. Now from this interface, you will be able to view the apps that you would like to uninstall. Now you have to turn off that toggle next to that application and then tap on deactivate. After you have done this, now navigate back to your settings page. Here, go to apps, then tap on see all apps. Now from this page, you have to search for that exact application. For example, the application was Among Us. Tap on it and from there tap on uninstall and then you will be able to uninstall the application. But if there's some application in your device that won't have the uninstall option, for example, I have this application that says Android Accessibility Suite. Tap on it, there is no uninstall option, but to uninstall it, all you have to do is tap on disable and then tap on disable app. With that, this app is again uninstalled from your device. So that's the way to uninstall application on Android that won't uninstall. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.